and milk powder are the three ingredients. Dark chocolate is added with 34 kilograms of cocoa mass, 48 kilograms of sugar, 22 kilograms of milk powder and cocoa butter 30 kilograms. After 24 hours of conching, the chocolate is transferred to a melting tank and then kept at 50 degrees Celsius in liquid form milk. Dark and white chocolates are kept separate and then molded into shapes and sizes with nuts, flavors to the consumer's choices.